Why is Hopkins Village City River growing in popularity with expats? I mean, we kind of alluded to it there, that goes slow and what have you. Anything else to add to that?
It has been sort of a hidden gem for the longest time. Placencia is very popular. It has been a hub for expats for a long time. And Hopkins was off the beaten path. And it just is someplace that is now accessible. And people are starting to see that it is right in front of your face, but still hidden away from everybody. It's a slow pace, and it resists change. We do not have 5-story buildings. We do not have banks. We do not have fast food restaurants. We don't have a lot of the draws that bigger communities do in this area. You sit down and have lunch, and it takes an hour.
Okay.
You know, that's still lifestyle, patience. Yeah.
You mentioned no bank just yet, working on that in Hopkins. If someone were to be residing like yourselves in Hopkins, where's the closest ATM machine? Where's the closest bank? How long does that take to get to?
There is an ATM right in Hopkins Village,
okay.
right as you drive in. Closest bank, we've got a couple options. There's Placencia, which if you want an ice cream run and some gelato, it's worth the drive.
Okay.
There is also a number of options in Dangriga, which is a little more if you're going for car parts and that kind of thing, then you go to Dangriga. I tend to go the ice cream route. Evan tends to go the vehicle park route.
Thank you for that. For those viewers that have never been to Belize, that don't, can't really picture geographically how far Placencia, Dangriga would be from Hopkins, what's that drive look like? Tutti Frutti and Placencia, how long does that take to get to?
We always laugh, it depends who's driving.
Well, fair enough.
So if I'm driving, which I assume is the normal person rate,
okay,
that's about 45 minutes to Placencia, and that's due in part not to the distance, but there are a number of topes or speed bumps.
46 of them.
You have to traverse to get into Placencia proper itself. Dangriga, on the other hand, is a much quicker drive, about the same geographical distance.
Yes, about 20 miles from Hopkins.
Okay. So it takes, 25 minutes.
Okay, not too bad. Yeah. Not too bad. All right, very interesting, and thank you for sharing that with us.
Want to find out more information about how you can start your life in beautiful Belize? Then email us at info@lawbelize.bz.